Alright, let's navigate through your Google Drive. And so there's a variety of ways in which you can do this. And so you have an options over here on the left hand side. You also have a search bar up top here, and you also have the ability to do it over here on the right hand side as well. You also have different ways you want to view it. So you can go to list view or you can go to grid view. Grid view gets to be, for me, a little too much. I like the list view. It enables me to see a lot of different things all at once. Okay. Now, as we take a look at this, let's take a look at a couple things first. As we start getting documents in here, we're going to see that they're each going to have a different picture by them, or an icon. And this blue icon means a document. This one means a spreadsheet. This means a form. PDF with this. Presentation. This is a video. Presentations will look like this. And you can also get down to as you start uploading different documents. So here's a Word document, and if I just roll my mouse up over it, it'll tell me that it's a Microsoft Word document. This will tell me that it's a PDF just by putting my cursor over the icon. And PowerPoint, you'll see a P. This is a compressed archive. That's something a little different. And so you can just see what type of document it is. Now these are all Google documents. The W, the P, the X, those will be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. You also have a star, so you can star things, much like if you're used to Gmail, you can star things. That's right there. You can see who the owner is, and we can sort by last opened, last modified, and we can also do by time, last edited by, last opened by, last modified, and you can see that. And so you can search that way as well if you so choose. Over on the left hand side here, we have the ability, if we click on more, you can see that there are more items here, but we can see all the items that are just shared with me. So these are not items that I have created, but items that I have things that have been shared with me by certain people. You can also click on the starred, and we can see that we have starred items in my drive. There's only one here, but starred items. We can also see any recent documents. Now with recent, these are any documents that I have recently worked on, and they will go in order from top to bottom here for different things that I've opened. If I click on activity, these are different things that in order have been worked on either by me or by other people. And so we can see that other people have worked on, for instance, Austin's butterfly. Karen had worked on that, and so that's in order there. Now if she worked on it 5 minutes ago, it would probably be up towards the top here. We can click on all items, shows me all items. Trash, you can see all the items in your trash. I have nothing there, but sometimes, or a couple things there. One thing to take note of, and you can just hit empty trash, click yes, and it's just like emptying your trash. You can also search right here. If you click on owner type more, you click on this, you'll notice you're going to have an opportunity to filter by different types of documents, whether or not they're visible, who they're visible to, and also ownership. And so, for instance, if I want to search for, so I have some Google stuff, I hit Google, and I can just go like this and do any documents or any PDF files that have to do with the word Google in them. Okay, it's not necessarily in the title, but I went to PDF files, typed in Google, and now I can see that the word Google appears somewhere in this flyer. Okay, because it will actually search within the documents. So that's a good way too, if you can't remember what you titled something, but you know that the word Google was in it somewhere. So I can hit just randomly, I can just go Google here in the search bar, type the search button, and up will pop everything where the word Google it has where the word Google is in. So not necessarily, again, in the in the title, but actually within the document. And so that's a pretty cool way too to use this search feature. And so that's why you'll notice if you see a lot of people, they'll open up their Google Docs and you're like, whoa, holy cow, there's a lot of things in there. There is, but an easy way to search is using the search bar, recent, activity, whatever. And so I use the search bar quite a bit. That's kind of how I stay organized within my docs. But you can also create folders and things, which will be in the next video.